Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2015 Triumph Speed Triple 1050. It's the 94, so this is the 21st anniversary edition. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Triumph. It is HPI clear. It does come with a spare key as well. It's also data tagged. We'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. So this is the Speed Triple 94, which is a 21st anniversary model. So there's just a few differences on it. These were available in all black and available in yellow. And it's things like the screen on the front there, that's black to match it. I will put a couple of other bits out on it. And that's got the ABS on it. It's got Brembo brakes and the Showa fork. Also has the commemorative plate on there, Speed Triple 94. And also the belly pan on the bottom, which is black as well. And also the black cover over the back seat as well. These are all on this anniversary edition. Let's get a look at the chain and sprocket and the back wheel. Okay, look at the seat and the plastics over there on that side. The other thing as well is the cans on the back. On this one they are black, so the centre part of them is wrapped in black instead of the brushed aluminium on the standard model. It's also got the black frame as well. Just to pay homage to the first ones that they brought out 21 years ago that were all black or all yellow. Let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank as well. And let's get a look at it from the back. We'll move round to the right hand side, so we'll do the same again. We'll get a look over the side of the tank. Spin the bars round. So you can see all of the tank. See its data tag sticker on there as well. It's also got an Optimate lead on there. Another sign it's been dry stored and left on an optimizer, keeping the battery at its optimum level. Get looking at that rear shock as well. Let's get a look at the back wheel. Let's get a look low down on this at the belly pan. And we'll finish up on the front wheel on the right hand side. We'll go and take a look up at the dash and controls and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's get a look at the controls. So I've got our front brake, throttle, kill switch and starter on there. And over on the other side, got the clutch, lights, indicators and horn. So let's pop the ignition on and get the exact mileage off it. And it's done 9,750 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.